What we want to do is remove the cup from the front of the gun. Put the machine to one side, and remove the lid. And make sure the liner stays inside the holder. Then we want to get our disinfectant. Then we get a cup lid and secure it back on. Then line it up and twist it on so that's now secure. Then we've got to open the back flap on our machine here to get a battery in. The batteries have a really cool little charge indicator on the back, so you press that button and it tells you how much charge you've got. So you can see 3 lights there, so we're fully charged. Battery slots into the machine and we're ready to go. So next thing we want to do is turn the machine upside down and prime it. So that's getting rid of the air from the pump and replacing it with disinfectant. So upside down, make sure this is in the prime position, so pointing towards the disinfectant if you like, or the container. Pull the trigger for 5 seconds. And you saw the first few seconds there were just air bubbles. So now we need to get rid of the air completely. So we flip open this cap and turn the machine so that cap is at the highest point. Squeeze the bag so all the air comes out and we start getting material, or start getting disinfectant. Okay, so that's starting to come out now. Close the cap while still squeezing the bag so that we keep a vacuum, and you can see that we've got no air bubbles in there. Then prime the machine again, so pull the trigger for another 5 seconds. And you can see we're drawing up material and it's recirculating back into the container. Now, once we've done that and we're all primed up, we're ready to spray. So all we have to do, turn the lever there, so into the spray position, and we're ready to go. Okay, so we're pretty much ready to spray now. So the machine is primed, all the air bubbles are out. We need to make sure our prime valve is in the spray position, which is the arrow pointing horizontally towards the front of the gun. And we need to make sure our tip is also in the spray position. So this is the spray position here, but it can also turn through 180 degrees should you ever get a tip blockage. So that is the spray position, and we're ready to start spraying and see how quick it is. So I was using an LP313 tip, which is the smallest out of the tips you get with the machine. And I was also using it on the lowest pressure setting, so that's number 2, and we were still getting a good volume out. The next thing we'll do is flush it out, clean it, and get it ready for its next use.